Hi guys, today we talk about Vivo Y200 GT. It's launched on May 2024. The dimensions of Vivo Y200 GT: height 6.44 inch, width 2.99 inch, the thickness is 8 mm and the weight is 194 gram. And the build of Vivo Y200 GT: front and back glass and aluminium frame. Let's talk about display of Vivo Y200 GT. It comes with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.78 inches with 89.3% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1.5K and the PPH density is 453. And it comes with 144 Hz refresh rate with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection is not available at this time. Let's go to the platform. The Vivo Y200 GT comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A715 and the GPU is Adreno 720. The memory of Vivo Y200 GT, it comes with 8 gigs and 12 gigs of RAM and 128, 256 and 512 gigs of ROM. No memory card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. Let's talk about the camera of Vivo Y200 GT. It's come with dual camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide and 2 megapixel depth sensor and it records 4K 30 fps video. The front camera is 16 megapixel and it records 1080p 30 fps video record. Let's go to the battery backup. It's come with 6000 mAh battery with 80 watt fast wire charging, no wireless charging and it supports 7.5 hour reverse wire charging. The common and the features, it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, infrared port, UFS 2.02, and IP64 dust and water resistant. The price of Vivo Y200 GT is $299.